flustered, maybe helping a guest with a late afternoon checkout or some heavy luggage. When he comes back out, we'll ask him what's going on. And he always carries with him discount codes. If anyone wants to spend the night here, Oh, that's definitely a checkout. Oh, and he saw us. That's not good. I think should we go? We should go, right? Yeah? We should definitely go. Let's go. Let's get out of here.
So Alfred Hitchcock directed Psycho back in Norman Bates is there. Hi. That's kind of crazy. Yeah, he's probably helping a guest or something. Not a big deal. Anyway, I was saying Psycho is a classic thriller, and it's so good. It has amazing. No. Okay, well, I don't think we should be seeing this. I think this makes us accomplices, so we should probably get out before he notices us. And he noticed us. Oh, that's not good. Norman, we didn't see anything. No, and there he goes. Okay, we gotta get out of here.